Good morning. I, JVN Dr. Yogita Kumari, Assistant Professor, Department of Community Medicine, Faculty of Homeopathic Science. So, today we'll continue with the last topic, which is disposal of waste, and we were studying the septic tank concept of latrines here. Septic tank latrine. It is ideal sanitary water seal latrine which can meet the requirements of family in towns and cities having piped water supply but no sewerage system. The tank is an underground rectangular cemented concrete tank having an inlet, outlet and covered and a vent pipe into which the household sewage, which is a mixture of night soil, urine, wash water, is drained. The tank should have a capacity of 2000 liters for a family of about 5 to 6 members. Septic tank is not recommended for large communities. It should be about 3 to 4 times as long as it is broad. Depth should be 2 meters, out of which 1.2 meters should be liquid depth. It is deepest at its inlet, slopy up evenly towards outer end. The air space above the water line should be about 30 centimeter. So this is a structure. This is a rough plan of the septic tank latrines. The superstructure, vent pipe and the squatting plate with the water seal structures are the same. Only the septic tank concept or the dug hole pits concept is differ here. So we have as a concrete structure, the collection chamber, which is also known as the septic tank, and it has an inlet and outlet both, and it is the deepest at the inlet. The base is slopy and it is the deepest at the inlet. The inlet and outlet pipes should have standard T-fittings with the lower limbs immersed in the sewerage. The septic tank is covered by a concrete slab and provided with a manhole for cleaning purpose. The vent pipe should have a screen to control flies and mosquitoes. It is better to have 1 or 2 baffle walls to prevent straight current of sewage from inlet to outlet. The chamber is so designed that the content is retained for about 24 hours for its aerobic decomposition or digestion. Therefore, the chamber is also called digestion chamber of sewage. The ventilatory shaft projects upwards and establishes connection between the inferior of the tank and the outside atmosphere. As the sewage enters the septic tank through the inlet pipe, the non-putrescribed black semi-solid particles settle down to the bottom of the tank to form sludge, and the grease, fat, light solid matter floats on the surface to form scum, which is an airtight layer and cuts off air to the fecal matter. Under the scum, the aerobic bacteria are actively at work breaking down the solid masses into simpler substances of the fine suspension. The complex protein molecules are broken down into amines, amino acids, evaluating gases like methane, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, hydrogen sulfide, etc. The colloids in suspension become crystalloids in solution and are ready to take up oxygen. This is the first stage of purification. In the next stage, the effluent or the liquid coming out of the outlet pipe periodically, which contains numerous bacteria, ova, cyst, organic matter, is turbid but translucent with a sickly but otherwise offensive smell. Since the effluent still contains nitrogen as ammonia, should be oxidized by aerobic bacteria present in the soil to nitrates and nitrites and nitrates. Therefore, it is subjected to further purification by the action of aerobic bacteria by subsoil irrigation into the surrounding earth through perforated pipes. It is the second stage of aerobic oxidation. The sludge is much reduced in volume as a result of anaerobic digestion. It becomes stable and inoffensive. When the sludge grows to a certain height, it interferes with the action of septic tank. It is the time of removal. Meanwhile, the scum is also removed. The sludge and the scum are decomposed of by trench method. Cleaning is done through the manhole. Since septic tank is recommendable for individual families, cleaning is required once in 5 years. However, in large installations, cleaning is done every alternate years. The following are the requirements of septic tank installation. There must be abundant supply of water. There must be abundant supply of water so as to flush out excreta to the tank. No disinfectant or detergent to be used in tank because of destruction of putrefaction bacteria. There must be sufficient space between the fluid level and the cover to accommodate the scum and the gas. There should be a ventilator pipe to let off the foul smell. The sludge to be removed periodically by desludging. We'll continue with the topic in the next presentation. Thank you.